Howdy y'all, Virginia Piper back again. You know, over the years that I've enjoyed the pipe smoking hobby, some in my collection have held up great, others not so much. Now, I blame myself, in part anyway. I do clean my pipes, but need to do so more regularly. I also think 2 decades of enjoyment have played a part as well. Over time, I'll show some of these to y'all to see if you think they can be restored or set aside forever. Don't think I could part with any of them though. Now the first one should be easy. It's a Carl Eric pipe, and there's a picture of me enjoying it after putting up our Christmas tree in our home in Red Bank 15 years ago. Let's see if we can bring it up. There it is. And it is amazing how much I have aged over the past 15 years. Hold on. So here is the pipe. And there's the damage. You see, some time back, I attempted to widen the airway in the bit of this pipe using my pipe tool when I heard a crack. Yeah, I know there are better ways to go about this. It was an incredibly dumb move on my part. So here's my question for all of you. Where can I purchase a replacement bit for this pipe? Feel free to type your answer in the comments section below. I'd really appreciate it. Hope you're having a great one.